Yo, it's snowing, but guess what?
Yeah, but it's not all the way though.
Yeah, we playing snow with the birds.
Hey guys, guess what?
Don't put spirit like that.
You see, look, there is snow on my shoulders.
Yeah,
see?
but this is what you get for forgetting spirit like that.
You son of a!
Let's not. Oh, wait! Stop fighting! Yo, look at the snow. It's going faster.
Yo, you guys saw a video?
Huh?
Yeah, yo. The snow is going faster, y'all. Yo. Take it. Yo.
Oh my gosh.
Snowing really fast.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see the areas with the most snow.
Yeah, let's go see.
Oh, dang.
Just to tell y'all, my leg hurts. Well, this leg hurt.
I'll come back outside when it's fully snowing.
Okay.
Like where there's a bunch of snow.
Okay. But can we still stay outside, please?
Fine.
Okay.
Yo! Look at this snow!
Oh, it's about to go faster now. It's about to go even more faster.
Oh! Where the... Ah!
Imagine it was Christmas and it was snow like right now.
Yeah.
Why can't they snow? Guys, leave the comment on why can't they snow when it's Christmas? Like right. Wait, hey, Mikey.
What?
Wait, he never been there before.
Yeah, I know millions of guys.
Oh, maybe it's a shop. Well, maybe it's a shop. Well, a shop. Oh, my leg! My leg! Oh, my leg! I can't keep on walking on my leg.
What happened to that leg?
I don't know. Remember, I hurt my knee. Maybe that's why. God, please help my leg. Guys, leave the comment. Guys, comment me. I hope my leg feel better.
Well, make sure YouTube doesn't turn off the comments.
Oh yeah. If you want that y'all comment, sorry about that. I'm just
Can you just comment on another video that has comments?
yeah. Y'all can comment on my other videos if that one won't work.
Oh wait! Look, guys! An invisible entry.
Where?
Look! We can go in the car. It's open. Ooh.
No, that's the window.
Oh wait, that's glass.
Yes.
I remember birds can't see glass though.
Yeah. Man.
Come look. It's snowing super
And
fast.
I know me and the bros, Big McCall are the best YouTubers, right? Right, Mikey?
Yeah. So make sure you subscribe forever edits, brother.
What you mean, Junkie Edits?
Yeah.
Guys, I used to be Forever Edits brother, and now Dragon Edits.
Yeah.
But now Junkie Edits, guys. Ouch.
Come up.
My leg.
Michael, come up.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat this now. Yummy. Look, the sand is turning into snow.
Oh yeah. Guys, comment me if it's snowing at y'all house.
Look, ah!
And comment me my leg. I hope my leg feel better. Don't forget about that, guys.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. Why is your glove not even fully on, bro?
I don't know.
Wait, get it on. Look. It's snowing like crazy. Yo, look. It's snowing like right here. It's even snowing on the rotunda.
Yeah,
The Eagle House.
it's snowing on the Eagle House.
I'm gonna get in here. Bro, why is this sand so hard? Maybe.
Oh yeah.
Like, bro, why is the sand so hot? Like, look, I'm trying to pick it up. It feels like I'm trying to pick up. Like, concrete, but it's not even coming up.
Wait, we recorded too. Hey guys, this is Connor.
Hi. If you're wondering what me and Amelia were doing, this is what we were doing. I go wait for the video to restart.
Y'all got more birds?
No, those are birds.
Oh,
Those are pumpkins.
okay,
So we're crushing them from October.
okay.
Okay, this is what we were doing. This is what we were doing, by the way.
Look guys.
It was snowing, so we did it. Well,
Like that just now?
oh, what the heck? Who's that?
Who's that?
Yeah, who is that?
Bucky.
The person that owns these buildings.
Wait, the dog?
No.
Oh,
Look,
and who is that?
see? He's the person that owns all of these houses. Why is he here, bro? He's like the landlord. Why is he here?
Oh yeah, he do own these houses.
Why is he here?
Because
Anyways.
he can come here if he wants. Because look. Yeah. So no worries.
If you want, you can see it again.
Do you own these houses?
Yeah.
Okay. See? He owns these
Here's it again. 'Cause-
Guys, if he posts this on YouTube, go watch it right now. I forgot what's his YouTube channel.
How many times have you guys been watching that video? Well, no, we did it. We just did it, bro. Yeah, you can see us, bro. Okay, I think that's enough of that video. It's for cause I have a question.
Huh?
So, why was there Azarian's why was there Azarian's pause the video? I can't pause this. No, him. Pause your video. Pause your video. I'm pretty sure I have some eat real quick.
Okay.
I'm
Huh?
gonna
What she
go
said?
have some food.
But, bro.
I'm gonna come back right outside, okay?
Okay.
Hold up. I'll actually stay outside for longer.
Okay. Until it gets on 11 minutes. Guys, if it gets on 11 minutes, we're going to end the video.
Inside to eat.
Yeah. And then we're going to end the video.
Show me what time it is.
It is like 8:45. Now 8:46.
Let me see. Yeah. Okay. You remember 2 more minutes?
Yeah.
I mean 3 more minutes. No, 2 more minutes. 2
Oh, my leg.
Dang. It
My
hurt.
knee. Yes. Because I hurt my knee.
No.
Wait, we forgot Spirit.
We're done.
Maybe Spirit don't want to play with us.
No. Maybe Spirit does want to play with us, and you just left him out because you don't like him.
I do like him. Bro, look at you already. But stop. Mikey, don't.
Guys, I'm gonna poop.
Okay, guys, let's.
Remember, bird poops are white. Bird poop is white. So,
Guys, don't look at him.
Bird poop.
Mikey, yo! Stop! I'm going back inside, bro. Guys, we ended the video. Stop doing that
Please,
then.
One last chance, one last. He sprays out bird poop. Look.
Right there though. Right there though. Gosh.
Okay, when it was down. Huh. What time is it? When I got
10, 12.
remember. At
Guys.
11, I go inside to eat.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this. Day.
Wow! This slow.
Yeah. Wait, it's going faster.
Yeah. Like each second it snows faster.
Actually, guys, we're gonna end the video in.
No!
I told him when you get on 11 minutes, guys, I'm gonna end the video and then I'm still play outside.
I still gotta eat.
I know that, but I'm still.
Please.
Yeah, but I want to play the snow, bro. Just stop crying, bro. Bro, Mikey, stop, bro. Mikey, keep stop, bro. Trying to actually cry.
What? Wait, what time is it? Is it 11:11?
It's 11:23.
Okay, I gotta go inside to eat.
Okay.
You can play Felix out here.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye to the bro baby call.
I'll come back outside.
Okay. Hi.